Hello everyone, this is Vladimir. In this video I would like to show you how to use my simulator and how to benefit the most from it. First, let me explain what is this simulator. This is a software that my team built to help any trader test their strategies, exercise their trading, improving their skills, and even invent new strategies. You can create strategies by your own. All traders face similar difficulties on their way to success, as you know. And I made this simulator to help overcome these difficulties. Now, with this simulator, the way to become a successful trader has become much quicker because the simulator fast forwards the market action for you. You can practice your live trading, you can create strategies, and you can test them. Also, you can practice your trading skills, trading psychology, and correct money management. Let me explain each of them. This is the simulator. Now let me just show you what do I mean by practice your live trading style. Every trader during his trading life has difficulties with right entries and right exits. Right? Someone we just have cold feet and we afraid to get into the trade, and sometimes we just get out of the trade not based to the rules, and we very sorry about it later. Okay, so I created a strategy. For example, I'm going to enter, just for example, with the cross of a moving average, and I will exit the trade once I get opposite candle pattern. Okay, so let's move, and let me just create two lines I will need later, and I will explain them, of course, later. I will call this one TP, and all right. So we are ready to go. Just change the color, all right, to my red, and we are ready to go. I will go and enter the trade with the cross of the moving average. Okay, so let's see. All right, the cross is getting closer. Bam! I have a cross. I sell. I have a stop loss. I have a profit line with these lines. Okay, and I will exit once I will get opposite candlestick against me. Okay, this way I actually practice my trading live. Now pay attention. I control the speed. I actually, with this simulator, fast forward this price action for myself. Okay, so let's see when I have to exit. All right, getting closer. Up, I get a close. I had an engulfing against me. I close. Okay, I will wait for another cross. Let's see when I have a cross. Bam, crossed. I have to buy. The stop loss and take profit automatically adjusted. Now I will close when I have opposite a candle against me, or exit the trade when the moving average will be closed, will be crossed the opposite direction. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's see. Okay, the price moves. All right, it goes well. It goes well. Bam! I have an opposite candle against me. I have to get out of the trade and close it manually. Right? I close the trade and I have my profits. Okay, this is inverted hammer. I have it against me. Now I close the trade. Okay, this is how I practice my live trading. And this is what you can do, friends. You can test any strategy, practice the entries, practice the exits, and this way you actually become better trader. Now, the second thing, I can work on my psychology. What do I mean? Well, one of the most common difficulties of the traders comes when we have to manage the trade. Right? We always want to cut profits short, not according to the rules, I mean, and we always can take the stop loss all the way till the end. Okay. Now I will here with this simulator practice it. Let me show you what do I mean. I will enter when the moving average will cross down. Okay, let's see. Alright, we get closer and closer. Alright, alright. Pay attention, I control the speed move of the candlestick, of the price. Alright, getting closer, and looks like we are going to have a sell soon. If it closed. Yeah, closed, and we sell, right? Now I will get out of the trade if the moving average will cross the opposite direction, or if I will have an opposite candle against me. Okay. Now there is a stop loss that I take profit, and I will trail the stop loss with this new. For example, okay, based on the rules I created myself, okay, I will trade the stop loss based to these rules, just a few pips above the downtrend line to protect this trade. Now let's see what will happen, and I will put my profit just right here on the support. Okay, I have a support, I will put profits there. Now let's continue and see how the trades develop. I will trade the stop loss after a few candles. Let's see how it behaves. Bam, I have a down move. This is the best psychology. Okay, what would you do in such situation? Bam, profit closed. Right? What would you do in this situation when it begins to go against you? What most of the traders actually feel? They feel, oh my god, it goes against me. It goes against me. I must close the trade, right? And they cut their small profits, or they just leave the full stop loss and they pray, come on, market, make me a favor, go with my direction. And this how we can practice here. This is how you can practice live your difficulties with the psychology, which every trader actually feels. And of course, you can create new strategy. And how you create new strategy? Well, first of all, my team offers you free programming. You can contact us if you have a strategy and you need some indicator or expert advisors that will help you with alerts or with money management. As a member of the service, you will enjoy free programming. You can contact us, ask what you need, and if we see benefits, you will get it. And this tool will help you test the strategies. If you have a winning strategy, if you find something interesting and you want to make it full robot, contact us. If it works, we share with everyone. Because if it works, why to keep it for us? Let's profit all together. And this is, my friends, the simulator. This is how it works. Now let me show you how actually technically to use the simulator from the very beginning till the very end. First of all, what I have to do is to create a template, and I call it with a simulator name. Okay, so I just choose to test a strategy. Okay, all I have to do is call this template, right, the name of the simulator, which calls Vladimir bottom line trading bottom line simulator one take profit version 1. Okay, so all I have to do is template and save template. Okay, and here I'm going to do it. I already have it. You just have to fill this name, okay, without a point TPL at the end. That's fine, and you click save. I have it, so I press no. Okay, so here I have it. I have a template called the name of the simulator. Now I choose any currency. I just choose to use the euro yen. Leave it as it is here with the model every tick. Use date. You can choose the range of the date you would like to test. You can go for 2006, 2005, 7, whenever you want, right? And test the strategy you created, test any strategy you know, or just practice your weaknesses, your psychology, and your live trading. Make sure you have the visual mode selected here. Now we have to go for expert properties. Here you set default stop loss and take profit. Okay, for strategy, I will show you how to change it during the trade. And here you choose the lot size you would like to make the trade. Okay, I suggest here on the lot size, just create, just create the lot size you will actually trade on live trading. This way you practice it the best. You actually work on your live trading. The money you will profit or lose will actually be the money you will profit or lose in the real world. Okay, so I choose just for a default 100 100. You can choose more or less. It could be changed during trading, no worries. Press OK and let's go. Now I have now I have a new window open here, as you can see. Bam. Okay, and I press here auto scroll, so just to go for the end. Okay, once again, in this strategy, just an example, friends. I don't know how this strategy works. It can work fine, it can work bad. So now pay attention. Here on the speed mode, I am going, okay, to click on it, and now with the arrows on the chart, on the keyboard, sorry, right and left, I increase or reduce the speed of the move, right? The speed of the move of this speed bar. I going here for the horizontal line, and I put two lines horizontal. Okay. I double click one of them, right click on the mouse, horizontal line properties, and I call it stop loss, SL. I choose the color for that. I love this color. I love the crimson here. And you double click on the second line and you call it TP, which is take profit, and you set it whatever color you would like. Okay, that's all. Now during the trade I can take this when it's selected. Okay, if it's not selected, just double click it, I remind you, and you can move it. While you move it, you actually trail your stop loss, and your stop loss will be modified. Here you see the last level. This is the last modify of the stop loss for this trade. The same with the take profit. Pay attention what happens now. Okay, the take profit was actually modified as well. That's the last profit. Okay, that's how I move the stop, control the stop and the profit, and based on the strategy rules. Now pay attention here on the open PLN in dollars. You see how it actually works. When you're done, friends, you stop. You press the stop. You go for the results. Okay, and you go for the chart, and you go for the report to see all the statistics you would like about your strategy. If it's a good strategy, then I offer you my team. If you see it works, if you see your strategy works, your rules are simple, and you make profits, I offer you my team. I offer you free programming. Contact us through your members area, and my team will create an expert for you, or an indicator for you, or alerter. Whatever you need, my team is here for you. Why? Because we want to profit together. And if we profit, why not to help everyone? That's all, friends. I hope you will enjoy this simulator and you find it very useful and you will benefit with it. Thank you once again for your time watching this video. I wish you only good luck, friends, and only good practice and training. Yours, Vladimir.